I think maybe I'll go down to the player room. There's Kathy Miller. She's putting her tray away. And maybe heading that way. I'll go down and see if there's going to be a player who used to be there. I heard Journey made this bracelet out of duct tape.
No, I didn't. My friend did.
Who did?
He did.
Who?
My friend.
Her friend. But it's made out of duct tape. Yeah. Pretty neat idea.
He made a dress and a purse.
That's really good. I don't know.
For a while,
What?
about 7 to 10 years ago, duct tape everything was actually kind of popular.
She did make me a wallet that was pretty cool, and it even had like blocks on the inside of it, and so like, cards and stuff. It was actually really pretty good.
Yeah, they were calling for everybody to duct tape their windows in New York City after 9/11. And Mayor Bloomberg said, that's
Why would they just take their windows?
well, I don't know if it could be terrorist attack,
Oh, okay.
that sort of thing.
Do you think they were just worried about